Okay, so I went from keto to vegan. Look at this. Oats, strawberries, blueberries, nuts with a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, so I went from keto to vegan, and let me explain to you why. Before you go keto, I suggest that you have a blood test. And you know why I say, well, I don't need a blood test. I don't need this before I go keto. First time I went keto, I dropped 13 pounds. This time in a short period, I dropped 7 pounds. But meanwhile, I had a doctor's visit when I had dropped to 7 pounds. So keto is easy for me. You know how you use your bread to scoop up the eggs or the salsa or whatever for your keto? Just use the meat. Use the meat. I buy roast, like big 7-pound roast, 5-pound roast, and then I cut those up into steaks and put them in individual bags. I cut pork loins and cut them up into individual steaks, and I freeze them. So in the morning before I work out, I put them in defrost them and put them in the pan, and I have that with avocado. You know, and that with 2 eggs, that with 3 eggs. But I say have the blood test first because now I gotta, not because me going keto, because I'm Mexican. Because I'm Mexican, now I got a fatty liver. I'm having my liver levels were high, my cholesterol levels were high before. And then, you know, for blood, if your blood pressure is high, keto is not the diet for you. Keto is not the diet for you. So because of all that, I decided to go plant-based. Not even vegan, plant-based is what I'm at. And I even cut the eggs and the cheese out of it. And with the plant-based, if you look right now, the Guinness World Record for the strongest man in the world is plant-based. Okay, the guy with the fastest time for running the Appalachian Trail, 46 days, is plant-based. So you can actually eat carbs on plant-based, but I'm not going to overdo it. Being plant-based. Now there's vegan and plant-based. It's almost the same, but now you got to watch out because if you're diabetic, you got to do a different plant-based or vegan diet. If you have heart problems, you got a different plant-based or vegan diet. If you got liver problems, you got to do a different plant-based or vegan diet. I'm doing a bodybuilder vegan diet right now is what I'm doing, and I already could tell the difference in my face. I mean, my face went down going keto, but now that I'm vegan, I could already really tell the difference of me kind of shredding down, cutting the fat. So with vegan also, you got to watch the bad fats, because them bad fats are what's going to mess with your liver or mess with your heart stuff. So when you're eating a steak, your blood gets thicker. After you eat, they do blood tests, and your blood is going to be thicker after eating a steak. That's why you feel sluggish. After eating something plant-based, your blood is actually thinner than would have been if you had the meat. So that's why vegan people have a little bit more energy. So stay with me and follow. That's why I went from keto to vegan right now, and so far I'm really liking the vegan. But they say, well, you're missing supplements. You're missing supplements. So I did buy the protein to add to my protein shakes with the vitamins that I'm missing, and I did buy the vegan vitamins to replace the calcium and the iron and the vitamin D and the B12. So I did buy the supplements for that aspect of it, but so far I really love it. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, and let's do this journey together. Bye-bye.